Ever wondered why the sky is blue or why apples are red? Well, today on Skill Punch, we're diving into the world of colors and their meanings. Imagine a world without colors. It would be like a movie without sound, wouldn't it? Colors add life and vibrancy to our world. But did you know they also hold deep meanings? They can evoke a wide range of emotions, from joy to sadness, from excitement to tranquility. They can convey powerful messages without saying a word. They can even influence our behavior, shaping how we think and act. For instance, you might feel calm in a blue room, or feel your energy levels rise when you see the color red. Each color has its very own story to tell, its own secret meaning to reveal. Intrigued? Well, you should be. Ready to journey into this rainbow of knowledge? Buckle up because we're starting with the color of passion and energy. Red. Red, the color of a blazing fire, symbolizes passion and energy. It's a color that doesn't hold back, wearing its heart on its sleeve. Red is the champion of strong emotions, embodying the intensity of love and the heat of anger. It's like that friend who's always the life of the party, exuding energy and excitement. Red is the pulse of life, the heartbeat of emotion, always keeping us on our toes. From the fiery red, we now move to the calming green. Green, the color of nature, symbolizes harmony and health. It's like a soothing balm to our eyes, wrapping us in tranquility and peace. When you think of green, you think of a new leaf unfurling, a sign of renewal and life. It's a color that whispers to us of well-being and rest, making us feel at home in the world. Green, in its quiet, gentle way, promotes a sense of overall harmony and health. From the peaceful green, we'll now delve into the trustworthy blue. Blue, the color of the sky and sea, symbolizes trust and loyalty. This soothing hue reflects depth and stability, like the vast expanse of the ocean. It's the color that represents wisdom, something we often associate with the vast and infinite sky. When you think about trust and loyalty, think blue. It's the steadfast friend, the reliable ally, the keeper of secrets. So, the next time you see something blue, remember its calming and trustworthy nature. From the serene blue, we're going to explore the powerful black. Black, the color of the night, symbolizes power and sophistication. It's the color that we often associate with elegance, formality, and mystery. It's like that favorite little black dress you wear when you want to feel confident and chic, or that sleek black car that just screams control and power. But black isn't just about power and sophistication. It's also about the unknown, the mysterious. It draws us in, stirs our curiosity, and captivates our imagination. From the mysterious black, we'll now journey into the pure white. White, the color of snow, symbolizes purity and innocence. It's like a blank canvas, simple yet full of potential. Think of it as the color of perfection. Just as a flawless diamond, white stands for cleanliness. It's crisp, it's fresh, and it's the color we often associate with something pure and innocent. It's no wonder that white is often used to signify new beginnings, like a fresh layer of snow covering the old. From the pristine white, we now move to the cheerful yellow. Yellow, the color of sunshine, symbolizes happiness and optimism. This vibrant hue is like a ray of sunshine on a cloudy day, instantly lifting spirits and spreading cheer. It's the color of laughter, of bright smiles, and of boundless energy. Yellow is the spark that ignites creativity and the warmth that kindles a cozy feeling. It's like the burst of joy in a sunflower, the zest in a lemon, and the gleam of a goldfinch. From the sunny yellow, we're going to explore the enthusiastic orange. Orange, a blend of red and yellow, symbolizes enthusiasm and emotion. This lively color marries the fiery energy of red with the sunny cheerfulness of yellow, resulting in a hue that's brimming with zest and warmth. Orange is also known to stoke the flames of creativity, sparking new ideas and stimulating the senses. It's the color of autumn leaves, ripening pumpkins, and brilliant sunsets, all radiating an invigorating joy. From the vibrant orange, we'll now delve into the spiritual purple. Purple, a mix of blue and red, symbolizes spirituality and imagination. This marvelous hue marries the tranquility of blue with the vivacity of red, creating an aura of mystery and magic. Its rich tones have been associated with royalty, exuding a sense of luxury and grandeur. It's the color of dreamers, the color of ambition. From the royal purple, we've come to the end of our colorful journey. But before we say goodbye, aren't colors amazing? They're more than just visual experiences. They carry meanings and emotions. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Skill Punch. And hey, leave a comment below telling us your favorite color and why. Until next time, keep adding color to your life.